All right, Sunday, April 6, 2025. I'm doing a allegorical seance. It'll be very similar to one I did in a SWD60 series drawing of slain Roman Catholic Archbishop Oscar Romero of San Salvador. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. Good show, darling. Good show. All right. Different pencil. Eyes. Teeth to make dentists drool. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your fabulous feedback. Yeah. How many eyes? We have another one over here. I don't know where to put a nose. That almost calls for a mustache. Why not? All right. I'm going to need an extra tooth or two. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Think about that. We'll make that into another eye. All right. I haven't decided whether to do a flying dinosaur over here or not. I might. And I am going to be going over the outside of these tongues. Get that quickly. This is 3.5 minutes already. Videos get more viewings if they're shorter. All right, that should be continued.